Anson Gould is hearing impaired or one seen as differently abled. He is amazingly skilled and talented in several things, one of which is repairing bicycles. He was indeed very eager to allow me to showcase his profound talent. I caught up with him making repairs to this bicycle, which was down and in a dismantled condition for several months. He had already mounted the bike, changed gears and tires, and was in the process of polishing and completing the final repairs. Despite not being able to hear and speak, he was very much able to communicate what was needed to get the job done. He pointed out how rough the chains were rotating, but ensured with confidence that after he fixed it, it would work well when he applied the product to the chain links and joints. He showed us the old tires he had changed and explained that they were no longer fit for riding. Looking at the brake cable, he communicated that this too was no longer functional. Utilizing his skills, he was able to constructively repair the wires. Judging from his own bicycle, which was in mint condition, one could see how much care was taken to maintain it. He explained that it took a lot of time and patience to do this part of the repair to the brake cables. He then adjusted and loosened the joints of the chain, also spinning to smoothen the stiffened joints. After a test run, he observed that the steering was twisted and needed adjusting. He explained that he would return another day to complete fixing the brake, as he jokingly remarked that if he did not fix it, it would cause an accident.
I know, tomorrow.
Finally, he handed off the repaired bike for a final test ride, with much satisfaction of a job well done. I was very much impressed to see how well he was able to quickly restore the bicycle to proper working condition. In life, we are only limited by how much we limit ourselves. Disability does not limit a person's ability to do great things in life. Be inspired.